Pragmatic DLT helps businesses to test and launch their ideas on blockchain. So you may imagine we need pretty skilled technical people on board. It's not a trivial task though. Demand for blockchain developers increased 6 times in H1 2018. According to Upwork, it's the top wanted skill right now. The offline course that took place in Kiev worked out really well. We got a lot of positive feedback, so we decided to share it with much wider audience. Pragmatic DLT want to let software engineers around the world to start their path in blockchain development, so we decided to launch the course globally.
There are a lot of buzzwords and even more delusion behind this disrupting technology changing the world right now. It is a challenge for software engineers to keep fit. That is why we created Pragmatic Developer Ethereum course. It is aimed to deliver the essence of technology in a clear and practical manner, basically to save time for developers who want to start building dApps right now. I know, once you dig in the fascinating world of distributed ledger technology, it costs nothing to get lost. We are here to teach you everything we know about Ethereum programming. At the end of the course, you will write your own application on Ethereum.
Do not lose momentum. In a month, you will possess one of the most wanted knowledge on the market.